Vesak Day is coming, and although I don't really celebrate it, my mom does every year. She usually sets up the prayers and eat vegetarian. 自在. For me, the most difficult thing about cooking vegetarian food is that there are no alliums. So today I've challenged myself to cook this bibimbap-inspired dish with mee tai mak. No alliums basically means no garlic, no onion, no shallots, no scallions. So today I'm using a hack that Khalil. I'm going to toast up some grated shiitake mushrooms. That's how we're gonna get the pop of umami in our dish.
Wow, John, smells very nice. Can smell the mushrooms.
Yeah, I use your method.
Ah, the shiitakes. The whole of it smells fragrant.
We are seasoning this with multiple umami boosters like soy sauce, the mushroom powder that we made, and also adding that floral pepperiness from white pepper. So over here we're using stir-fried miao, soybean sprout, and also mushrooms to give textural contrast compared to the tender mee tai mak. Frying up some tau kwa to up the protein a bit, make it a balanced meal. Meatman goes meatless, let's go!